students, in this lecture we are going to discuss characteristics of monsoon and the rainfall over the country. First, what is the character of monsoon? As you feel this is the season of monsoon, so you must feel the nature of monsoon in this time. Okay, so in this time, as you know, we feel southwest monsoon, and in India, as you know, we have orographic rain, erratic form of rainfall. What is erratic and what is orography? We are going to discuss later. First, what is the character? Then we are going to discuss all the things. Monsoon are erratic in nature. Erratic means nobody can predict. Today it will rain, nobody can predict. That means unpredictable nature of monsoon. Understand? In India, most part of the India, we have orographic rainfall. What is orographic rainfall? This is the concept. Just you this is the mountain part. Just you know that in the last lecture you have known, in the last lecture, the western part, when the master laden wind collide or lifted over this mountain slope, monsoon burst, monsoon rainfall occurs this part. Okay, like that. This is the water bodies. This is the ocean part. This is the sea, whatever. And moisture laden wind come in the contact of the slope of the mountain. Okay, and due to condensation, water rainfall occurs here, and the zone this side having less rainfall. The side where rainfall occurs is called windward side. What is windward side? And this is leeward side. Okay, you know, this is also called rain shadow zone. Okay, so you understand, in India most of the part is orographic rainfall. So the nature of monsoon is also orographic in nature. As you know, rainfall bring in summer season. Okay, and as you know, the monsoon is the key point and the key factor for Indian agriculture. So it is also character of Indian monsoon. That means the prosperity of agriculture depends on Indian monsoon. Okay. Now the last one is some of the rainfall occurs due to tropic depression, and this is also question of some of you. What is tropic depression? As you know, Tropic of Cancer, 21st June, sun falls vertical on Tropic of Cancer. So in entire northern plain and the entire parts of central parts of the India having low pressure, high temperature and conventional current, ITCZ comes here. Okay, so this is the low pressure and high temperature zone is the tropic depression. Okay, so due to this also monsoon occurs, rainfall occurs in our India. That's why it is the character of India. Okay, now this time we have rainfall over country. Rainfall our country, as you know, entire India, barring this cold desert and this Thar desert, we have rainfall above 100 or 100 centimeter. But in this area we have below 50 centimeter, 25 centimeter rainfall in this area. So why this happened? Why there are many reasons why the Thar desert in India? What is the reason behind it? Let us discuss here. Okay? So rainfall our country, as you know, because of this is the triangular, almost triangular shape of the peninsular India. The monsoon, southwest monsoon, divided into two parts. One is Arabian Sea branch and second is Bay of Bengal branch. Okay? The Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch. When monsoon winds going through Western Ghat, having high amount of moisture, okay, with this wind, trade wind, monsoon wind, southwest monsoon wind. This is Western Ghat. So Western Ghat having 200 centimeter and more than 200 centimeter rainfall. When this Arabian Sea branch enter heading towards North India, there is the Aravalli mountain range. This is the residual mountain range, and this wind going parallel to Aravalli mountain. So there is no collision and no orographic rainfall this time. This is the one region. Second one is, this is the low region, and third one is moisture is very low in this area, and when this wind comes here, the moisture, before moisture could evaporates. Okay, so there is less moisture containing area, so there is the less amount of rainfall. Look at this Bay of Bengal branch. In Bay of Bengal branch, when Bay of Bengal branch southwest monsoon passing through crossing through Ganga Valley, monsoon occurs this part 150 to 100 centimeter, and when it is heading towards this area, having less amount of moisture, that's why this area having low amount of rainfall. Okay, humidity is very low, moisture containing winds not comes here, that's why this is the Thar desert of India. Western Rajasthan is the part of Thar desert in India. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you so much. In the next video, we are going to discuss distribution of monsoon. So, keep watching. Thank you so much.